Hello learners, welcome to Knowledge Viewpoint. So today we will do bookwork of lesson number 4, that is the Giant Panda. So let us start. So A option is just to read the chapter or listen carefully. So we will start with the B part. Listen to your teacher, read out section 2, tick the correct words to complete the sentences. We have read the chapter, हमने chapter पढ़ लिया है, समझ भी लिया है. अब हमें B part करना है. फर्स्ट पार्ट इज अ जाइंट पांडा लिव्स फॉर अबाउट डैश ईयर्स. कितने टाइम तक जाइंट पांडा की जो लाइफ स्पैन है वो कितना होता है? ए ऑप्शन 35, बी ऑप्शन 100 एंड सी ऑप्शन 25. So what is the answer for this question? 35. So mark. Yes, 35. Next, if a giant panda dash, we know it wants to scare away an enemy. Giant panda किस तरह की साउंड करता है जब उसे किसी एनिमी को स्केयर करना होता है, डराना होता है? तो कौन सी करता है? A barks, B squeals and C bleats. So yes, it's barks. It barks. Next, if a giant panda dash, we know that it is in pain. जब जाइंट पांडा किसी पेन में होता है तो वो किस तरह की आवाज करता है, किस तरह की साउंड प्रोड्यूस करता है? ही स्क्वील्स, तो वो स्क्वील करता है. नाउ फोर्थ इज पीपल हंट द जाइंट पांडा फॉर इट्स. पीपल जाइंट पांडा को क्यों हंट करते हैं, क्यों, किस लिए हंट करते हैं? ए ऑप्शन फॉर फर, बी ऑप्शन फॉर बैम्बू, सी ऑप्शन फॉर फॉरेस्ट. सो यस, ए ऑप्शन, दैट इज फर. सो डन बी पार्ट. So let us move to C part. Work in pairs and complete this table about the giant panda. Use words or short phrases as given in the example. So you have to do like fact sheet. This is appearance. So first one is done for you. बाकी हम डिस्कस करते हैं. Next appearance. सो फैक्ट शीट. अपीयरेंस किस तरह का अपीयरेंस, किस तरह की अपीयरेंस होती है जाइंट पांडा की? लार्ज होता है, हैवी होता है, बिग हेड होता है, राउंड ईयर्स होते हैं, शॉर्ट टेल होती है और सॉफ्ट फर होता है. नेक्स्ट कलर्स. तो पांडा इज ऑफ विच कलर? ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट. सो आई हैव रिटन ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट. नेक्स्ट साइज. यू हैव टू टेल द साइज ऑफ जाइंट पांडा. So the size of giant panda, he grows up to 6 feet tall and weighs up to 115 kg. Next, movement. So how they move, how they climb. So they are good climbers. I have written the word good climbers. They use their short claws to hold the bark. Short claws, their feet short claws to hold the bark. So these two things come here. Next, lifespan. For how many years they live? They live about 35 years. Okay, so you have to write about 35 years. Next, communication. So how do they communicate? What sounds they produce? They squeal, they bark, they bleat, and everyone has different significance for different sounds. So the three communication sources are squeal, bark and bleat. Next, enemies. So who are the enemies of giant pandas or the pandas? So snow leopard is the enemy and eagle is the enemy we read in the chapter. So you have to write these two animals. Okay, one is animal and the another is bird. So let us move to next part, that is D part. Match the column to make complete sentences. You have to complete the sentences. So first is the giant panda. So the giant panda is the symbol of peace in China. So one is this. Okay, one is D. Next, female pandas. Female pandas are called sows. So female pandas are called sows. So this is 2. Next, pandas. Pandas have cat-like eyes. So A option. This is 3. Pandas have cat-like eyes. Now pandas make sound like goats bleating. So you have to put 4 here. B is 4. B is 4. So next, humans. Humans kill pandas for their fur. So this is C is 5. C matches with 5. They kill pandas for their fur. Next, fill in the missing letters to label the parts of the panda. You have to fill the parts. Now this is homework for you students. So I will discuss. So first one is look at it. This is head, so this is head. Okay, this is ear, this is shoulder, and this is stomach, foot, and thumb. So you have to write these words yourself. Okay, now we discuss the F part, that is question answers. Write short answers for these questions. You may use the notes you made in exercise C. So you may use C exercise, use of C exercise. So let us read the first question. What color is the giant panda's fur? Giant panda का जो fur होता है वो किस color का होता है? The color of giant panda's fur is black and white. So you can write the giant panda's fur is of black and white color. Next, what do wild pandas eat? The wild pandas eat bamboos. Very good. Wild pandas eat bamboos. Next, what do pandas living in zoos and other centers eat? तो जो जायंट pandas या जो pandas zoos में रहते हैं या किसी और सेंटर में रहते हैं तो वो क्या खाते हैं? तो the pandas living in zoos or other centers, they eat bamboos, rice cereals, carrots, apples. Okay, so you have to write these things. Next, where do we find giant pandas? We find giant pandas in China. Very good. Next, who is the greatest enemy of the panda and why? Who is the greatest enemy? Snow leopard. So greatest enemy is human beings. Human beings are the greatest enemy. So human beings are the greatest enemy of human pandas because we hunt pandas for their fur. We are destroying forests for bamboos and other resources. So human beings and the population, the person is the biggest enemy of panda. So I hope you understand the question answers of this chapter. So we have done this exercise. Also, I will give the screenshots or the photographs of this exercise in the WhatsApp group. So please do complete it by today. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe my channel.